In today's video, we're gonna talk about Solana. Currently, it's trading on $138. In the future, I'm still bullish, but right now, let's talk about it, guys, because yeah, it has a huge dump to the downside. Obviously, because Bitcoin dumped the last days. Now, switching back on Solana, guys, let me know what you're thinking right now. So, we have still not broken $115 to the downside, right? Or let's say $120. So this line here is $120 right there, right? These lows here, yeah, almost between $115 and $120. There's huge support right now. So we got basically the last highs here back in March, right? This was the high, this was the high, this, right? Now, if you're gonna do it like that, you will see that we're making all the way lower highs, right? And now what I'm expecting is that if this low here at around $120 will break to the downside, right, like it looks right now, we might get back to $100, to the huge support of $100, right? Now, do you want to get in at this point? Probably yes, guys, probably yes, if we're seeing that this line will hold in the near future, and you know, if it gets supported, then I think this is a good opportunity to get in for Solana, right? As soon as we break this trend line here on the weekly to the upside, right, if we see potential support at this place and we're breaking this triangle to the upside, this is the point where people will jump in crazy trades. So that's why I want to get in much earlier. I want to get in at around 120, because at 150 it's, you know, it's almost too late, because we can also get dumped from here on, maybe a fake out, right? But the possibility of breaking this to the upside, finding support, and then pushing to the upside is still huge. Now let's check the EMAs, and you will see that, yeah, we're trading at a 20 EMA line. Now let's get a little bit closer, right? We're trading at the 20 EMA line, so the next support would be exactly at around 120 to around 115 to the next 50 EMA on the weekly. Now, if we get to check this right now on a daily, yeah, this is looking more bearish on a daily. You will see why, because the EMAs are flipping, right? They're flipping to the downside, and the possible next support is, as I said, at this area, right? Now, if you want to trade, guys, we have 1 million, I mean, not 1 million, we have 10 million USD at this Bybit competition. It's the, you know, it's the biggest competition every year on Bybit, up to 10 million to grab. Basically, you have to just join a squad right here. You have to join a squad. The more you're trading, the more your squad is successful, the more you get from this cake, right? It's quite easy. So yeah, check the terms and condition, first link in the description. But it's the, you know, it's the best opportunity every year we get from Bybit. Now, speaking about Solana again, I would not join in right now, right? I would definitely wait if we're breaking these lows here on some smaller time frames at around $130, or if we're getting again to the upside at around what we got here, 150, right? You see, we are trading between support and resistance right now, and now it's you know, now it's crazy, because we don't know if we're breaking this to the downside or maybe this to the upside, right? So I'm quite sure that we will see some explosion the next days and weeks for some altcoins and for Bitcoin day, basically, right? Let me know what you're thinking, because it looks like Bitcoin wants to retest 55 maybe again, or maybe to 50k, right, at this support line here. It's quite interesting here for Bitcoin, but on the long term, I'm really bullish for Bitcoin, right? So yeah, guys, that's it for now. Let me know what you're thinking. Make sure that you subscribe and like this channel, and I will see you on the next one. Bye bye.